chances are you've been putting your pillowcases on wrong your entire life. I know that I've been guilty for this. I'm going to show you the right way to do it, and I'm going to show you a little trick when it comes to your pillows. Let's go ahead and grab one of these king-size pillows right here, and I'm going to show you what most people do and what I've done the majority of my life. You go ahead and you lay out your pillowcase, right? And then you take your tag and you put it in the end. That way your tag's not hanging out at the end of your pillow. And then you go like this. You stick your pillow through. You go like this. I've even seen some housekeepers and maids do it this way. And then you shaky, 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 shaky. And then you put your pillow in and you're like, wow, that was amazing. Well, the nice thing about this is it's oversized, but I do have a little hack for you in just a second. So it's much easier to put on. But what if it's not that easy? Here's the correct way to put on your pillowcase to save you so much time. You're gonna feel like an absolute genius. What you're actually gonna do is you are going to turn your pillowcase inside out. Yes, inside out, my friend. So now every time you fold your laundry, your fitted sheets, you're going to put them away inside out. And then here's what you're going to do. You're going to take your pillowcase inside out, grab the ends right here. As you can see, you're going to grab your pillow, and then you're going to put it over like this, and then just pull it over your pillow. You see, I'm not having to shaky, shaky, shake and make sure everything fits in there nicely. Let me know if you have done this before in your life. Genius! Now, if you're type A sort of perfectionist like me, you're gonna love this trick right here. I love this. This is not sponsored, but I do this from time to time. This is an iron and a steamer all in one, my friend. I'm gonna demonstrate here for you. Most steamers, you cannot lay down like this because the water will drip, but not this one, my friend. We're gonna go ahead and turn that steamer on and we can get these out. Of course, you can get these wrinkles out by using your dryer, but oftentimes these things sit in my dryer for way too long. But look at how easy that is. This is going to be beautiful, my friend, especially if you put the time and energy into making your bed and making it look nice. You want to make sure that you get those wrinkles out. And by the way, this is super satisfying all at the same time. Now, look at this pillowcase. Second trick here for you. You can see that is a bit oversized and it kind of looks dingy and yucky when it's like hanging like this at the end of the bed, especially if you put the effort in to making your bed. It's kind of like getting yourself ready, yet you are wearing the most hideous shoes. Yes, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna go ahead and open up your pillow, and then you're gonna take the bottom part, you are going to tuck it in, and then you're gonna take the top part and then also tuck it under, tuck it under. By the way, I did learn this from a maid who works at a hotel. That looks so much nicer, my friend. By the way, if you're looking for the best whitening routine around, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.